Hi, I'm James Robinson. I'm the Executive Director of LED Engineering here at Christie Digital, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our MicroTiles product that we have with us here today at ISE. MicroTiles is our premium, ultra premium LED offering that we have in our portfolio. We've put a lot of innovative technology into this product, and so yeah, it's depicted here. We have a column that shows off the various pixel pitches that it's available in. 0.75 millimeters, 1.0, 1.25, and 1.5 millimeters, depending on your application. MicroTiles is used when you want to make a statement and deliver like an exceptional display quality experience into an application. This is running at 2,000 nits. It supports 10,000:1 contrast ratio, P3 color spaces, HDR, 120 hertz. Basically, like the top end of LED performance is delivered in this product. Mechanically, instead of a cabinet-based design that you see typically with most LED products, we've settled on a very innovative tile architecture, and so you can create. There's a limitless amount of shapes and sizes and scale of walls that you can use. You can use it to enhance a lobby with architectural features. We've used it in control rooms. Basically, yeah, the applications are pretty limitless. We'd love to hear about your application, because yeah, I'm certain that we can help you find a fit between what this technology offers and the experience that you're trying to deliver. Reach out to your local Christie sales contact, and if you don't have one, if you go to christiedigital.com, you'll be able to click some buttons and find your way to us. I'd love to hear more about what you're planning to do, and hopefully we can help you solve the problem with MicroTiles. Thank you.